We are writing a program to find whether the number is negative or not. So we are using a conditional statements to find the number. First of all, what we need is to enter the number then and convert the number into floats. So I enter the number and the number is converted into floats. Then I make use of if statements to compare whether it is 0. Then if the output is 0, so print out number 1. Then I use it to compare again. If it's less than 0, to print out -1. Then the last, I will use it to compare again. So otherwise to print 0 out. So now, let's run the program. So if 7 is entered, it's 1. If negative is being entered, it give us -1. So if 0 is being entered, it will give us 0. So this is a program to check number is negative or positive. Thanks.